The U visa is not just for victims of violent assaults or domestic violence. The U visa program was established to promote cooperation between local law enforcement and immigrants in reporting of violent crimes. Crimes can include rape, murder, assault, domestic violence, but also the U visa can cover a lot of different kinds of situations that don't necessarily involve physical harm. For example, if you are a member of a jury or have witnessed someone getting hurt and have been working with the police on that, you may be able to get a U visa for witness tampering if someone is trying to stop your involvement, or obstruction of justice. If you know and have proof that someone you know has been lying to the police in a criminal investigation and you come forward and talk to the police about that and are willing to testify perhaps, you may be able to get a U visa based on your cooperation, again based on obstruction of justice or even a perjury investigation. The U visa cases that I have represented have ranged from a young kid getting beaten up by gang members on the streets, he identified people in a lineup, to family members of a drunk driving victim who was killed in a horrific accident on the freeway, to victims of stranger rape, or for children who have seen one parent hit the other, or for a victim whose house was broken into in the middle of the night when she was asleep, and even victims of immigration coyote smugglers. The U visa program should not be overlooked as a possibility, especially for those who feel as if there is no other immigration option available to them. Those who have triggered the 10-year bar, for instance, and have no qualifying relative for the waiver, or those who have triggered the permanent bar or even have removal orders or in deportation proceedings now may benefit from the U visa program. What's crucial for people in these situations is obtaining cooperation from law enforcement, who must be willing to sign a certification saying that you have been helpful or likely to be helpful in a potential investigation or prosecution of the particular criminal activity. Answering police questions and being cooperative with investigations can only increase your chances that the police will want to help you out. I am an expert in complex family-based immigration cases and have a 98% approval rate for the past 12 years. I am a nationally published immigration author and frequent public speaker on immigration topics. I regularly train other immigration lawyers on complicated marriage and family immigration cases for the American Immigration Lawyers Association, Federal Bar Association, and National Legal Education Providers. I represent clients all over the U.S., traveling to immigration interviews and deportation proceedings. Visit our website, humanrightsattorney.com, for more in-depth information and articles on complex family immigration issues.